50 Shades of Gray. I know what I'm doing in this thing. Hey guys, Sean O'Brien over at Nichols Marine in Norman. I got a one last 2024 Bennington 20 SVSR. This boat is equipped with the YAMAHA 90 F series. Single axle trailer. Let's hop inside. Let's take a look at this thing. We got two quad lounge seats at the front, equipped with a nice handy dandy snack table, food table. Here at the captain's chair, we have a 5-inch GARMIN along with a kicker audio, everything digital touch. Two quad lounge seats in the back, dive door, side dive door, full bimini. Lots of space for family and friends. This is a perfect lake-ready boat for you and your family. Make sure you guys come by Nichols Marine here in Norman, Oklahoma, or check out our website at nicholsmarine.com.